What is going on, Lucid fans? Welcome back to Financial Journey. So today I want to give you a good recap of everything that happened today, all the important parts and highlights. I'm going to go over some updated data points and tie it all together with some technical analysis. But before I get into any of that, you guys know the deal. Smash a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Greatly appreciate that. If you do like my channel and support the growth, take a look at my memberships, link in the description below, or just hit the join button at the bottom screen. Greatly appreciate that. With that, let's get right to it. So as you can see on the intraday chart, we had a nice little dip going on here. That was largely because of the forward earnings. They did again similarly like Tesla, saying that there was going to be shortages and it is going to affect their output for 2022. So that is what caused a little bit of a dip. But then as you can see, we technically did break out, and that was largely because of a couple different factors. One of which was this. So the non-farm payrolls was up significantly. So that is a very bullish indicator and definitely does show that there is a lot of money in the hands of consumers, which overall helps the broader economy. So that's one thing as well. In addition to that, there was roughly about 400,000 shares that were purchased for Lucid, most likely from an institution right here. So again, within a 2-minute time span, that caused a nice little surge going up. So when it comes down to institutions loving Lucid, we all know that's been around for quite some time. So this is the new round of 13Fs that did come down the pipeline for Lucid. So you can see that there has been a lot of ones that have been adding. So you definitely see TD on here with 84,000 shares, but still a lot of good things going on here. And I just want to draw your attention to this one. Came out yesterday by Advisor Group. They increased their position by 24,000%. So it definitely shows again that there is a lot of institutions that love Lucid and find a very strong value at these stages, even at high 30s, as you can see what Advisor Group has their average at, which is 37.50. And regarding today, you can see the live ticker to my left. Currently, it did close today at $27.55, up roughly about 2.3%. It is down a little bit after hours. As far as volume, there was 20 million shares being traded today, whereas the average is 51, and 2.6 million shares being purchased by institutions today alone. And you can tell that based on the block volume column. So again, when it comes down to it, institutions absolutely love Lucid and is one factor that's been causing nice little surges in Lucid as well. And like I said, I'm going to give you some updated data points, and all this information is available via Ortex. Link is in the description below as well. So as far as short interest, 1357 is the short interest. Utilization is 9661. Day by day change, it actually did increase today 1.2%, which works out to be 1.36 million shares being additionally shorted. So all this information is definitely good to know. And when it comes to the options game, it hasn't necessarily been the best when it comes to Lucid. So today there was around $38 million of options today being placed, with only 13% of them being positive. Yesterday was only about 28%, with $46 million worth of options. So overall, when it comes to Lucid, the sentiment as far as on the options front isn't necessarily the best. And keeping in line with options, I do bring this up quite a lot. So you can see this is updated as of Q3 2021. Hedge funds purchased 5.13 million call options in Q3 of 2021, up roughly about 54% from the quarter prior. And all 13F filers did purchase 27 million call options in Q3 2021. So anticipating a lot of upside when it comes to Lucid. Despite this is just short-term activity. And in addition to that, there was still a lot of hype when it comes to the Dream Drive. So that is a lot of factors that was playing into the actual movement of the price today. So with that, I'm just going to cap it off with some technical analysis. So right now, the 50, 100, 200-day moving averages, Bollinger Bands, RSI, stochastic, and momentum. So you can see momentum, number of buyers has been constant. Stochastic is pretty stagnant, as you can see right now. So no defined trend right now. And RSI is pretty neutral at 33 right now as well. So looking on the actual chart, we are technically still below the dreaded 200-day moving average. We've been flirting with that for quite some time. We do need to break past that, and once we do, it is nothing but gravy on the way up. So right now it's just short-term noise. Like I said, there is a lot of big catalysts I'm going to be touching on, so make sure you guys do subscribe. I do daily videos on Lucid, a lot of which I do bring up the massive catalysts that a lot of people don't talk about. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned, because I'm going to be talking this upcoming weekend on factors that you need to watch for next week. But overall, the charts definitely do signal that we do have a lot of upside potential. With all that, let me know your thoughts on Lucid in the comments below. If you haven't already, smash a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Greatly appreciate that. If you do like my channel and support the growth, take a look at my memberships, link in the description below, or just hit the join button at the bottom screen. Greatly appreciate that. With that, let's all make a lot of money on Lucid.